And here we go. One for each side of the exhaust and the remote. That's one there on the right side. So I'm gonna disconnect that one. All right, so this is a better view. Right there it is. I'm gonna disconnect that and put the 11 mode on. Right there. All right, so it's in right here. I'm just gonna push it and make sure I snap that in. That's in. All right, now I got it all installed, so now I'm gonna start it with the valves closed, and then I'm going to open up the valve. All right, so right now we're going to go do some sound tests of the RS3. We have the mid pipes installed, and we also have the valve controller installed. So I'm going to take the car out and see what it sounds like with the valves completely open without being automatically closed. And all right, let's go see how that sounds.